Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to unboxing. It is not yarn related, but I'm going to be working on with yarns. So I purchased punch needle, knitting needle from Jessica, and it came super fast. And Jessica, just a heads up, I would highly recommend, because you did mail this with tracking number here. So I would highly recommend, when you have shipped it, write the tracking number on Etsy so you can be qualified for a Etsy star badge. Just a heads up, because I thought this was just coming with regular mail when I saw that. So I just wanted to inform. And first I saw this on Marketplace, looking locally if anyone was selling a punch needle. And then I found her Instagram page, and I saw that she's in Calgary. And I was trying to figure out if she has an Etsy shop or any other links that I can purchase it from. And I found her Etsy shop, so I was thrilled. Okay, so let's open this and see what's inside. I really like the sticker, though. It's nice. Really nice. Do you make these, Jessica? Yeah, she's a local. I will put her shop. She's a local seller on Etsy. Thank you so much for your order. I apologize for the delay. Hope you enjoyed the craft. Take care, Jessica. No problem at all. I'm not that picky at all. So her name is Jessica Johns, and she's in Calgary, Alberta. And I did get a 10% off discount, so that kind of helped. Yeah. And here it is. This is how much I paid. I paid total of $32.58 Canadian. Okay. And this is her shop. Her shop is called One Summer's Dream Shop. It's a new shop. And this is her link, but I will pin it as well. And yeah, let's put this aside. And let's open it. I can't wait. I'm going to start right away. Oh, this is nice. Do you sell these stickers? This is really nice. Okay, so I did check. Not in Netherlands, one lady's selling. And I don't want to pay custom fee, so I looked for something here in Canada. So I don't have to worry about that, because it's just like a surprise. Your charge for custom fee starts with $20. And oh wow. So I've been looking on videos, and I did tell the story how I started this. I have I'm a yarn hoarder, so I need to use up the yarn that I have. And this is the wire. I did order a bunch. They're still on their way. I don't know when they're going to arrive, so when they arrive, I will do a unboxing as well. This is really thin wire. Yeah, so, okay, she put it there. Okay, I think that's what you wanted to do, right, Jessica? So, I just need to put the yarn there, right there, right? Okay, so I'm surrounded with yarn. I don't want to show you my clutter. But I grabbed 3 balls of cotton yarn here. And let's start with this. And then we'll go from there. Again, I bought yarn. Again, today, again. Okay, and they're saying that this has to be loose. Okay, so let's see. Oops, let's try opening this here, because the yarn has to go through that thingy there. Okay, and then we pull it. think this is it. No, no. Oh, I have made a knot. No knot. So this is a 5.5. It says model 7. I don't know what that is. It says tri-coat crochet. I think that's what it. I think these are made in Europe. I can't remember the country. But yeah, and then it has these clicks that you can move. Oh, see? And I was watching, the higher it is, the longer it will be. And I don't know, it's not clicking. Huh, here it is, it clicked. I didn't go all the way to the high. Okay, so let's start. I hope I did this right. Yeah. So what it does is it has to go through this hole. Okay. Let's start. So I grabbed this cotton thingy that I had, and I had these hoops in my. I use them a lot. So this is going to be the outside, and this is going to be the correct. I'm going to make a bag out of this, and then we'll see. So I feel like a little kid starting something new. Okay, try stretching this as much as I can. But it did get loose. Okay, so let's start. How did she do it? Oh, I forgot to fix this this loop here. How did this happen? Because I'm taping, right? It's really nice and smooth. The handle, like this part, and it looks like the metal is nice, good quality. I don't know any other. I did check on Michael's. It was like $10. Again, this is 5.5. And okay, let's start. So I'm gonna go around and see. So it says, please bear with me, this is my first time. So it says, oh, it's not going. Oh, it did go. Good. Okay. Okay. So I pull it back, and then I go to the next, and then I push again, and then I pull again, and I go. Oh, I think I need to get those. I have those in my. Oh, wow. I think it's working. It's making a big hole. Yeah, it is thick, so I need to get those. I don't know what they're called. The other fabric. I do have those in my. Oh, this one didn't go because I was holding it. That's the reason. Oh, has to be loose. Don't hold the yarn. Didn't. Oh, now it's working. So the yarn has to be loose. And then push it all the way to the end. I think I'm making it. I have to hold this on my knee though, because I'm bending right now. It's really uncomfortable. Yeah, I think it's working. Let's check the back. Oh my goodness, it's working. See, and I can make these shorter. Let's do that. Let's make them shorter. Okay, so what did she do? I think she turned these. Supposed to click, but it's not clicking. Huh, here we go. Yeah. Oh, see, this has to be loose, definitely. And I am making huge holes. That's another thing. Yeah. So it's not going to work on this cotton. Okay, it is working. Pull it back again. Pull it back. Oh, how was I holding this? See how big the holes are? Yeah, I need to work on this. So I am super happy with my buy. And I will see you on my next videos. It's not working when it's short, definitely. I figure that out now. It has to be long. Let's make it this way. Huh, click. Good. Pull this. So exciting. Okay. Again, this is cotton yarn. You don't have to use cotton yarn. Just search. There's tons of videos. People are making this. And it's fun. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye, frogged it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you, Jessica. A lot of work to do.